Hey guys, welcome to my channel. If this is your first time here, my name is Jen and I do all sorts of clothing unboxing videos, including Stitch Fix and then lesser well-known styling services. So if that sounds good to you, then please subscribe below. Returning viewers, thank you guys so much for coming back, for your comments and support. Greatly appreciated. If you guys end up liking this video, then please give it a thumbs up. So today we are doing a Stitch Fix unboxing, which is everyone's favorite, including mine. I don't know if it's my favorite, but I really like Stitch Fix. So if you're not familiar with Stitch Fix, it's just going to be super quick. Fill out a style survey. A stylist sends you 5 items. You decide, you keep what you like, send back what you don't like. You have 3 days to make that decision. There's a $20 styling fee that does get applied to anything you purchase unless you get the style pass, which is $49. And it still gets applied to anything you purchase. You just pay the one-time $49 fee. That's a really high level gist of it. If you want to try Stitch Fix, then you can use my referral link below and you can get $25 off your first box, and I would also get 25 bucks, which would be awesome. So today in this box, I did not ask for anything in specific. I just said, just send me whatever you like, just because sometimes I feel like asking for something specific, and sometimes I just like to let a stylist go out there and send me stuff. So this was one of those boxes where I just said send me stuff. So let's see what's in here. All right, so they do provide a mailer for you to send back whatever you're not going to keep. They also provide you with a style card to show you how to style it, plus a note from the stylist. So I will read that after we're done going through what's in the box, and then there's a price sheet for the sad part, which is finding out how much everything costs. All right, so first off, I see in here a shoe bag, so that's exciting. Let's open that up and then we'll get to the clothes. Okay, ooh, oh, that's pretty. That's pretty. Okay, so, sorry. I guess I'll let you guys see them. Okay, so pair of tennis shoes. They are a kind of, is that navy or black? I think it's black. I want to say it's black, but it also could be a dark navy. I'm not sure. But they're a pair of Tom's tennis shoes. I probably have a few pairs similar to this pinned on my Pinterest just because I like a nice looking, you know, kind of fashion sneaker like this. You know, Tom's is obviously a good brand. I like that they donate a pair for every pair that you buy, which is awesome. So we shall see. Hopefully these are not too expensive because just looking at them, I love them. Okay, now the bundle. All right, here we go with the bundle. There it is. Let's just dive right into it. First we have from Paper Moon. Ooh, that's pretty. It's mixed material, more like a cotton in the back and kind of a crepey material in the front. I think it's gonna be pretty sheer. But these sleeves are very pretty. Just this lace on it. I don't even know what to call this. It's actually like a tulle sleeve with some embroidery on it, I guess I would say. But that's really beautiful. So I like that. I like that a lot. All right, next up we have from August Mixed. Oh, okay. This is very similar to the sweater I had in my last one. I had a gray one with elbow patches. This is just more of a, this is a blush color, I think. Yeah, just kind of a light pink blush color. No elbow patches on these. The other one was a little bit big, so I imagine this might be a little bit big, but we shall give it a try. So, but I like it. I think I had one, a cream color to these on my Pinterest, is why she probably sent me another one. Okay, and then we have from Staccato, we have this gray top. Ooh, it's a soft one. Ooh, I like this. Okay, so we have kind of this gray heather top, very soft, V-neck on it, but the back of it is the cool part. One, you got these buttons down the back, and then even kind of like a tulip back here, which I think is cool, and then elbow patches. So this one is clear possibility of a keeper. Then we have a pair of dress pants. So these pants are by Tribal. She knows that I love my tribal dress pants. I bought, Stitch Fix has sent me 2 pair and I have kept 2 pair. So this is just a simple black one. I've got a pair in navy and a pair in green, and I have been wanting a pair in black, so there's a very good chance I'm going to end up keeping these. Oh, these actually have pockets. I don't know if my other ones have pockets, but there are pockets on these in the front and back, I guess. Those are probably not real in the back. Yeah, those are not real. But I do have pockets in the front, which is nice. So just a simple straight leg dress pant. So probably going to end up keeping these. Alright, so that was an awesome box, and I can't wait to try this stuff on, so let's get to it. Okay, first up we have this gray top and the black dress pants. So the gray top, I really like this. It's really soft. I like that it has a V-neck on it, and most importantly, I like the back details, the elbow patches and the button down the back. I think that's a really cute detail. So there's a good chance that I'm going to keep this. It also fits really well, so that's always a bonus for me because everything's always way too big. So, but I really like it. Very cute. The black dress pants, like my other tribal pants, they fit well. They've got, you know, some tummy control here on the top, so it feels nice and snug. High-waisted, perfect length, but they're ones that, they're not ankle length, they're slightly longer, but I think they're going to be perfect for wearing some heels with. So I think both of these will end up being keepers. So hopefully I hate everything else because I don't want to spend a lot. So let's try the next pieces. Okay, next up we have this sweater, and I actually call it more of maybe like a dusty rose because there's a tannish look to it, but I like it. It fits very similar to the other one. I think it's cute, though when I go out, lift my arms up, that's where I start to feel like it's a little bit too big. So, but I don't feel like it's too bad if I don't lift my arms up. You can see the curved hem here, which is cute. I have not aired my last Stitch Fix yet, where I have the gray version of this. So I'm probably going to see what the comments are on that, decide whether to keep this or not, just based off of whether people thought that sweater was too big or not. But I like it. And then the shoes are very, very cute. I really like these. I'll give you a close-up of what these look like in a minute, but I like them. So I like the shoes. They'll probably be just a matter of how much everything costs that I want to keep. Cat. He loves the paper that comes in the boxes. He just wants to roll around them. Okay. I think he's settled down. Okay. So, alright, let's try on the blouse. Okay, next up we have this black blouse. I really like it. It fits well. I like the sleeve detail with the embroidery. I think that's really pretty. I always love black tops. My only hesitation with this one is I have lots of black tops. So at this point I have to really, really love something to add it to my closet because I already have probably 10 different short sleeve tank top black tops. So I really don't need this, but I like it. So let's go over prices and do the recap next. Okay, here's a close-up of the shoes to give you guys a better look. Again, very cute. It'll just be a matter of how much they cost. Okay, first off, let's read the status note, which I have had Nikki for several fixes now, and I love her because she does take the time to go out to my Pinterest and find stuff based off of that, which I always appreciate. She said, "Hi Jennifer, hope you're having a wonderful week so far and that the arrival of the fix makes it that much better. Since you didn't have any special requests for today's box, I just surprised you today. You've pinned some tops with elbow patch details, so I thought you'd love the light gray staccato button-down detail knit top." Yes, you are correct. The August Mix textured pullover is in a light purple. Oh, and not get purple from that. Light purple hue that will get you excited for spring. Since you loved and kept a similar navy pair, I thought you'd enjoy these tribal front pocket trouser in a versatile black. The Paper Moon mixed material lace detail blouse will go with lots of different bottoms for work. You've also pinned a lot of sneakers, so I sent this pair from Tom's. I hope you love this fix and let us know what area of your wardrobe you would like to focus on next. XOXO Nikki. So thank you, Nikki. Great box. Okay, prices. I did ask her to keep it as affordable as possible. I try to remember to put that in my note every time just as a reminder so that I am not spending too much. Okay, here we go. Starting from the top. This is the Artemis button-down back detail by Staccato, and it is $44. I think I loved it, so I am going to keep this. Then we have the Tribal Fia front pocket trouser, and these are $58. I know, I can't believe I paid 60 bucks for dress pants. I used to pay like 20 bucks, and now this, but I do love my other two pairs of tribal pants, and was thinking about the fact I needed a black pair, so I don't know. I'm debating, very close to keeping, debating. All right, next up we have the August Miss Josie textured pullover, and this is $44. I liked it. I wasn't wowed by it. I have other things I'm interested in. I don't think I'm going to keep it. Then we have this Rena mixed material lace detail shirt by Paper Moon, and it is $42. Again, liked it, but just wasn't so excited about it that I feel a need to keep it, so I don't think I'm going to keep that. And then this is the Arroyo lace-up sneaker by Tom's, and they are $85. I really like these as well, but I do have some black fashion sneakers already that were like $5. So, but I mean, they're not, the $5 ones were clearly not going to last very long. So, obviously, it's Tom's, it's a good brand, these will last. I always have such a hard time with this decision. But I think for me, what probably will be the keepers is the dress pants and the sweater, or the gray sweater here. But I'd love to hear you guys' opinions, what you liked, what you didn't like. Let's hear it. I always appreciate getting people's feedback on these items. Also, again, if you're interested in trying Stitch Fix, I do have the referral link below for getting $25 off your first box. Thank you guys so much for watching, and hopefully I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.